a remarkably potent herb for Alzheimer's and dementia treatment. Here I want to talk about a healing herb that research has shown to be effective in improving and treating Alzheimer's and dementia. Ruta graveolens or sadab not only has been introduced in sources of our precious holistic herbal medicine with temperamental approach as a treatment for Alzheimer's and dementia, it is also mentioned in some modern medicine articles as a potential source of neuroactive compounds to promote and restore neural functions. Sadab is useful for strengthening brain function, and also for enlarging the brain tissue. It can be said that one of the causes of Alzheimer's and dementia, and some brain diseases such as Parkinson's, is the shrinking of the brain, so Ruta graveolens or sadab has a useful role in treating these diseases by increasing brain tissue. Scientists have also been studying the properties of this herb for Alzheimer's disease and dementia, as well as its role in important brain structures. These brain structures are involved in memory, attention, learning, and other higher cognitive functions. In an article published on the Science Direct website, the positive effect of this herb on the improvement of Alzheimer's disease and several other diseases is mentioned. In part of this article it is written, "The use of Ruta graveolens as well as of its component, rutin, have also been suggested as a treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Previous studies have reported Ruta graveolens' successful application in in vivo murine AD models as acetylcholinesterase (ACHE) inhibitor." In another part we read, "Besides enhancing acetylcholine levels, the natural compound has shown to ameliorate the survival rate of affected neurons inhibiting the apoptotic cascade. Moreover, rutin has been clearly proven to exert a beneficial effect in a variety of animal models of Alzheimer's disease and in cell cultures." And again, similar results were observed in the human neuronal cells SHSY5Y, where rutin was able to inhibit beta-amyloid aggregation and also reduced nitric oxide and inflammatory cytokines. An extensive investigation has been very recently published on the effects of rutin salts on 2 different transgenic mouse models of Alzheimer's disease. Not only did this study confirm the beneficial effects on inflammation and A-beta amyloid deposition, but it clearly showed that learning and memory deficits were ameliorated upon rutin treatment. Interestingly, the authors also found out that the natural compound is able to activate microglial phagocytosis of A-beta amyloid via upregulation of phagocytosis-related receptors such as TREM2. For more information, refer to the article, "A Highly Effective Herb for Treating Alzheimer's and Dementia," whose link is available in the description. In the ebook, Recipes for the Treatment of Alzheimer's and Dementia, you'll discover over 40 recipes, aimed at improving and preventing Alzheimer's and dementia. The link is provided in the description. You'll also find a link to a comprehensive ebook package on the best herbal medicines, instructions, foods, and recipes for treating Alzheimer's and dementia, in the description. This package includes 5 essential ebooks that provide detailed information on the most effective herbal dementia medications, food combinations, and recipes, as well as useful activities and guidelines. All content is based on holistic, temperamental, and herbal medicinal principles, offering a well-rounded approach to Alzheimer's and dementia treatment.